Hi, I'm Ed Sushine, the owner of Cincinnati Maintenance, and today I want to discuss one of the leading causes for house fires. Have you ever noticed your clothes aren't drying properly? Maybe it's because there's a clog in your vent. The first step of action to take would be to take a look at the rear of your dryer to make sure there's no blockage. Make sure that the ductwork is actually straight and there's no kinks or bends in the hose causing any air restriction. Once you check that and there's no blockage in the rear of your dryer or the pipe itself, maybe it's time to take a look and see what's going on the outside. Remove the louvers from the vent. Make sure there's no bird's nest or small animal living in there because that'll cause blockage as well, reducing the ability for the dryer to dry your clothes. Some of you may be able to do this maintenance on your own if you have a shorter run. However, if you have a vent that's very similar to the one behind me here, the duct goes into the wall, into the ceiling, across the floor, etc., then you'll need our professional assistance. Another very important thing to do is to clean your lint trap in between cycles. If you have any questions, or if you're having trouble drying your clothes, or maybe you don't even know where the vent exits the home, give us a call. We're here to help.